Thinking about buying your very first boat? Before you dive in, there are a few things every new boat owner must know. Today, I'll walk you through the complete beginner's guide to owning your first boat, so you can skip the stress and get straight to enjoying life on the water. Owning a boat can be one of the most rewarding experiences of your life. It's freedom, adventure, and relaxation all wrapped into one. But if it's your first time, the process can feel overwhelming. From choosing the right boat, to learning safety, to ongoing maintenance, it's a journey. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started with confidence. The first step is choosing the right boat for your lifestyle. Ask yourself, what do I want to use my boat for? Fishing, water sports, family cruising? Each type of boat is designed with a specific purpose in mind. Don't just buy the flashiest option. Choose one that fits your needs, budget, and storage options. Remember, bigger isn't always better for a first-time owner. Next, let's talk about money. The purchase price is only the beginning. You'll need to factor in registration, insurance, storage fees, safety equipment, maintenance, and fuel. A smart strategy is to set aside at least 10 to 15% of your boat's value each year for upkeep. This way, you're never caught off guard. Safety isn't optional, it's the foundation of boating. Always have properly fitted life jackets for every passenger, along with flares, fire extinguishers, and a marine radio. Take a certified boating safety course. It will not only boost your confidence, but may even lower your insurance. Safety first ensures fun always. Operating a boat takes practice. Start small, calm waters, short trips, and simple maneuvers like docking and anchoring. Learn the basic rules of navigation, such as right-of-way, channel markers, and speed limits. Think of it as learning to drive all over again, but with no brakes and more patience required. Boat ownership means maintenance. Wash your boat after every trip to prevent salt or grime buildup. Check your engine, battery, and fuel system regularly. Seasonal storage is another key decision, whether it's trailered at home, stored in a marina, or dry stacked. Proper care will keep your boat running smoothly for years. While the responsibilities are real, the rewards are priceless. There's nothing like the first time you anchor in a quiet cove, cast a fishing line, or watch the sunset over open water. Owning a boat isn't just about the vessel. It's about creating memories and living a lifestyle that few experiences can match. So there you have it, the complete guide for first-time boat owners. From choosing the right boat to budgeting, safety, and maintenance. Now you're ready to take the helm with confidence. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and become part of the family. We share more guides and real-world tips to help you enjoy the boating lifestyle to the fullest.